Warning. I'm neither financial advisor nor trained financial expert capable of providing advice of any sorts. The content on this YouTube videos is for educational purposes only and merely list of model prediction and related search results. To make the best financial decision that suits your needs, you must conduct your own research and seek the advice of a licensed financial advisor. All investments involve some risk and there is no guarantee that you will be successful in making, saving, or investing money, nor is there any guarantee that you won't experience any loss when investing. Hi. I'm just like you, not professionally trained for stock trading but use what I do for a living for the investment. I just believe my model more than my biased opinion from my untrained eyes. I'm strong believer of George Box's saying, all models are wrong but some are useful. So I trained my model and shared my prediction results from this video. I'll share the actual architecture of the present model once I release the next version. I only use S&P 500 stocks for my analysis and try to predict whether the stock will show more than 50% profit from year 1 to year 2. I don't want to take this profit as short-term gain because I'm close to my next federal tax bracket. Also, I have my day job so I just want to put a limit order once 1 year mark is passed. I'll first present the likelihood of this ticker showing more than 50% of profit between year 1 and year 2, and provide the list of past tickers and buying timing with news headlines of the day. Again, I also don't believe these are 100% accurate, so just treat this as a list of stocks to study for the week. Let's begin. According to the model, the probability of OXY show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 81.96%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker CLX date from April 9, 2020 to April 15, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. 15 basic economy dividend stocks every investor will want to own after the COVID-19 recession. Second article. 3 highly ranked stocks to buy for the coronavirus economy and the eventual recovery. Third article. 5 consumer staple stocks for your Easter basket amid coronavirus. Fourth article. 5 stocks to win big this brutal Q1 earnings season. Fifth article. Why these 9 dividend aristocrats are surging today. Ticker QCOM date from May 21, 2019 to May 23, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Chip sector falls below 200-day moving average, led by AMD and Micron stock sell-offs. Second article. What you need to know about the FTC win over Qualcomm. Third article. Jim Cramer tackles the tech Cold War with China, Qualcomm, and Target. Fourth article. Qualcomm to appeal ruling in FTC antitrust case. Fifth article. Judge rules against Qualcomm in antitrust case. According to the model, the probability of PYPL will show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 79.75%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker TFC date from May 7, 2020 to May 12, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Global payments to extend credit card services to Truist. According to the model, the probability of BIIB show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 79.21%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker CBS date from May 28, 2019 to May 28, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. 6 stocks have reached their 52-week lows. Second article. Dressbarn, CVS, Pier 1 and Topshop shuttering stores, pushing planned closures to 7,150. Third article. CVS looks undervalued. According to the model, the probability of PENN show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 78.25%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker BIIB date from August 22, 2019 to August 23, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Which stock, Tesla or Biogen? Two worlds. Same price. Ticker ALTA date from February 5, 2020 to February 5, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Why Ulta Beauty has investment potential. Second article. 3 big stock charts for Wednesday, Ulta, Rollins, and American campus communities. According to the model, the probability of FB show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 76.88%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker BIIB date from May 28, 2019 to May 29, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Rent a gene with Biogen Spinraza, or buy a gene with Novartis Zolgensma. Second article. Biogen, BIIB, dips more than broader markets, what you should know. Third article. Celgene's Revlimid rituximab combo gets FDA nod for lymphoma. Ticker ALG date from September 26, 2019 to September 30, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Align gains on innovation despite poor case shipment in China. Ticker NVR date from May 19, 2020 to May 20, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Home builders upbeat about post-pandemic sales, 5 likely gainers. Second article. Home builder confidence rises in May, is the worst over? According to the model, the probability of TWTR show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 72.52%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. According to the model, the probability of PYPL show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 72.40%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker TJX date from May 1, 2020 to May 4, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. 3 stocks that could make you rich. Second article. TJX, stock moves minus 1.63%. What you should know. Ticker PRU date from April 20, 2020 to April 21, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. UPSH's David Sampson on insurance and the coronavirus. Ticker DIS date from April 17, 2020 to April 21, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Can Disney Plus really blow Netflix away in this critical market? Second article. Disney is losing $30 million per day. Is it time to sell the stock? Third article. Disney to stop paying 100,000 employees. Fourth article. Disney stops paychecks for over 100,000 employees. Fifth article. How Disney's ESPN makes money from sports broadcasting. Sixth article. Why Disney is furloughing workers and the other media giants aren't. According to the model, the probability of DISH show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 71.89%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker REG date from September 17, 2019 to September 18, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Why Regeneron is still a deep value play. Ticker PNW date from July 28, 2020 to July 30, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Top utilities stocks for August 2020. According to the model, the probability of EPAM show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 71.42%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker DRY date from April 27, 2020 to May 1, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Why Bloomin' Brands, Cheesecake Factory, and Darden Restaurants fell today. Second article. 9 of the best food stocks to buy right now. Third article. Mayday. 10 restaurant stocks getting crushed by today's earnings rout. Fourth article. Restaurant stocks soar Wednesday on positive COVID-19 developments. Fifth article. Why Darden Restaurants stock gain today. According to the model, the probability of GNRC show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 70.37%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker reg date from August 13, 2019 to August 16, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Regeneron gets FDA nod for EYLEA injection prefilled syringe. Second article. Regeneron's EYLEA prefilled syringe clears FDA hurdle. Third article. Regeneron Ebola treatment shows promise, study stopped early. Fourth article. Is Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, REGN, a great pick for value investors? Fifth article. Regeneron's drug to treat genetic form of bad cholesterol ACEs late-stage trial. Ticker HD date from February 15, 2019 to February 19, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Home Depot co-founder, we desperately need to fix leadership in this country. According to the model, the probability of GPN show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 70.00%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker TPR date from January 16, 2020 to January 21, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. These are the biggest stocks hit by China's coronavirus outbreak. Ticker PM date from May 24, 2019 to May 24, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. 3 great dividend stocks. Ticker Saint date from August 3, 2020 to August 5, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Steris, STE, earnings and revenues surpass estimates in Q1. Second article. Steris plc, STE, CEO Walter Rosebrough on Q1 2021 results, earnings call transcript. Third article. Steris, STE, beats Q1 earnings and revenue estimates. Fourth article. Steris announces financial results for fiscal 2021 first quarter. According to the model, the probability of SPRI show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 69.96%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker OMC date from May 13, 2020 to May 18, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Wolf's Corona discounts, Omnicom Group,